वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको भी सीखना है हाउ टू डू मेकअप जस्ट लाइक मी, हियर वी गो, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। सो मैंने ऑलरेडी अपना मुंह धो लिया है, इट्स ऑल ड्राई, आई रियली हैव नथिंग ऑन माई फेस एज यू कैन सी। हमें हेयर बैंड डालेंगे ताकि सारे बाल पीछे रहें, बिकॉज मैं क्लिप डालती हूँ ज़रा स्मॉल हेयर्स जो आ जाती है फेस में। सो दिस थिंग to put this, and we are set now. So my face is a very dry face, तो मतलब जब मैं अपना मेकअप करती हूँ उससे पहले मैं मुंह धो लेती हूँ अपना properly, and my face is very dry, so it's very hardly to like you can open your mouth fully. My moisturizer, I guess you have seen this moisturizer हर एक वीडियो में अब तक, तो आई थिंक सो, लाइक ऑल माई ब्लॉग moisturizer, this is always there. So we'll be taking and putting it all over our faces. I actually don't put this happen every time, but just for the like the video मैंने डाला है, because I guess मैं वीडियो बनाते वक्त डालती हूँ, otherwise I don't put this. I just do like a bun and I put it, but bun बहुत खराब दिख रहा था, so basically I don't have any base or something like लोग primer यूज़ करते हैं, ये यूज़ करते हैं, वो यूज़ करते हैं, मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करती. And you have to slap your face out when you're putting anything on your face. I don't know, it's so important. For my sunscreen, लोग डालते हैं सनस्क्रीन आई गेस आफ्टर द मेकअप, जितना मैंने सुना अब तक लोगों से, बट आई पुट सनस्क्रीन आफ्टर, जस्ट आफ्टर आई पुट माई मॉइस्चराइजर. ये मेकअप किसी कैसे लग रहा है ऐसे? ओके व्हाटएवर. Yeah, that's it. Now we will just, okay, so that's it. So अब हम सीधा कूद पड़ेंगे for the makeup. So here are few things that I want you all to understand before we all start with talking about makeup in general. So जब आप makeup करते हो, so you are very important कि आप याद रखिए कि आपका क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है फॉर द मेकअप, बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ पार्टी उसका अलग कॉन्सेप्ट होगा फॉर द होल फेस, एंड इट कैन बी डिफरेंट फॉर ट्रेडिशनल लुक एज वेल. बट जो मैं करती हूँ इट्स वेरी सिंपल, बिकॉज व्हाट आई डू इज़ मैं मेकअप को यूज़ करती हूँ एज माई आई मेकअप फॉर माई चीक्स, एंड आई यूज़ द सेम थिंग फॉर माई लिप्स. So my case in makeup is like easy, there is not much I do, but when I do a lot, I don't think so I do a lot actually. मैं बहुत कम करती हूँ मेकअप ऐसा, है ना, से क्या बोलते हैं कितना किलो का मेकअप, I don't do that, I just don't like it. So we are done with the skin care part जो starting में करना होता है. I have put my moisturizer and my sunscreen, so it's like a skin care before I start on with everything on my face. So the first use करते हैं is a foundation, but I don't use a foundation, I use color corrector, which अगर तुमको पता है like concealer भी बोल सकते हो आप इसे कुछ हद तक, because it has one but I don't use it, I really don't use it at all. like ना contouring करते हैं but I don't do that, I don't know. So I put this one on under my eyes, where I think that's like a bit dark right there, so I put that. Okay. So that's how I do it. It's not funny, but yeah, whatever. So इसको हम blend करेंगे, you know, blend it. with my hand. So actually I don't use any different brush for blending or anything, but I guess मैं use करती हूँ एक छोटा सा brush अगर मैं आई शेडो कुछ अच्छा अलग सा कुछ कर रही हूँ तो. अदरवाइज आई डोंट एक्चुअली, इनफैक्ट समटाइम्स मैं अपने आई शेडो के लिए भी हाथ यूज़ करती हूँ. आई मीन लाइक ब्रश, इसलिए ये ब्रश है, इसलिए ये ब्रश. आई हैव अ ब्रश का होल पैकेट एवरीथिंग, बट आई डोंट यूज इट. सो you know what I'm saying. So that's how you look after doing the. So for the thing I used orange as well, so it blends a little good. So yeah, let's move on to the second. कलर करेक्शन वाला चीज़ डाल चुकी हूँ. उसके बाद I just jump to putting on cheek tint. Whatever color I probably use, जो भी था थोड़ा सा पिंक कलर दे मुझे. So this is one, and I have many lipsticks out there, like you can see that. मेरे पास बहुत सारे लिपस्टिक है जो इसको मैं एज so yeah, I use this and this one, these two for them as to be my eyeshadow, my cheeks, my nose, for my lipstick, like everything. So first we'll be putting on is the cheek tint. Yeah, it's just cheek tint and doesn't have any much of color name. So yeah, all by hand. So we will be dotting it up. Yes, just like that. Okay, I always put a little on my nose, I don't know why. Okay, so we will be doing it. See, sometimes you can just roll it up like that on a circular motion and it's gone. Just like here as well, a little like this. Yes. तो ये भी मैंने बहुत कम लगाया, because according to some people they put like pink ऐसे दबा के as if कि pink ही है पूरा. Okay, whatever. So this was like the cheeks. अब आएगा our eyeshadow. Right now I'm wearing red, so मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है रेड डालने में. So I'm just going to show you what I do on a regular basis. By the way, these are some of my makeup that I did for recent days. जिसका मेकअप मुझे बड़ा मजा करके, but whatever. It's important that the way you do makeup is simple, because कुछ लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं and then the look not that good. So eyeshadow. See, eyeshadow just depends upon you, your creativity. If I just be honest, because कभी कभी आपके कपड़े कुछ अलग होते हैं. For example, I had this shimmery color का something, so I just did some shimmer. So eyeshadow palette होना ज़रूरी है, even if you are using it or not, because sometimes कुछ कपड़े आते हैं ऐसे जो आप पहनते हो जो you need that thing कि आप अच्छे दिखो उसमें. So this is my lipstick, which I will show what it looks like. So it's like a pink. It's something in the pink shade, if you can see that. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel right now and hit the bell icon so you get all the notifications whenever I post something. Yes, that's what it is. So I probably use a little of it on my eyes as a eyeshadow, especially in this part, like if you see the middle and not in the corners. Just like that. As you can see, it's just like that. So we will be just blending it up and down around the eyes. Wait a minute. Can I see the pink? Oh, you cannot see, can see the pink, right? Yeah. So that's the pink. So we have done with our eye makeup, eyeshadow. So just the way I've shown you in my previous अगर आपने देखा है नहीं देखा, I don't know, but I've shown you how to put eyeliner in my previous videos. If you have not seen it, maybe after this video you can go and see. And I use Blue Heaven Bold eyeliner. Can you see? Yeah. So it's like the applicator, thin applicator, guys. Sunday, and I think we may go out somewhere. हर Sunday होता है ना, like a kind of expectations कि शायद हम जाएंगे आज, but sometimes we just don't go anywhere. So whatever. So we will be putting eyeliner जो थोड़ा सा लंबा हो, but थोड़ा stylish हो. So what I mean by stylish is to make it a little thinner, but if you are going with like a traditional कुछ कपड़े, so you can make it a little thick. But अगर तुम्हें कुछ ज़्यादा ही subtle ज़्यादा दिख रहा नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हें मेकअप किया है, so you can just have like no wings, but just यहाँ like you know from till here, just that much. So yeah. You can see the difference, right? Like you can under eye में the here, of course काजल वहाँ पे लगाते हैं, but मुझे काजल लगाना उतना नहीं पसंद. So you understand what I'm saying, you know, like I don't like it. So अब हम पहुँचेंगे for the last, yeah, for the last thing. By the way मेरा कभी लगता तो नहीं, ऊपर लगा है क्या नहीं लगा है. So we are going straight to the last thing, is lipstick. It's, what is this? Cherry lip balm that I use for फिसले लिपस्टिक ताकि रुके ना. आज भी खत्म हो चुका है. Can you see that pigment? Yeah. The lipstick part is very very important. Just the way the whole lips, like the whole face is important to be decorated with your whatever color that you want. So right now I want to make it like a थोड़ा सा stylish girl वाला vibes. So the same lipstick that I use for my eyeshadow for my lipstick. So yeah, I do the outline of my whole lips, you know, basically. Can you see that? Yeah, that's it. So आपको बस outline देना है lips को, and then you just have to do the whole thing. बाद में सन्ना चलिए ना चाहिए मेरे मेकअप की ट्यूटोरियल के चक्कर में, but yeah, that's how you look. And इसे निकाल देता है, so you can see a better view of the whole makeup. And that's it, what I do. तो अगर आपने देखा है मेरे जो भी this is like how I do my makeup. I don't do much, but I just look good. Oh my god, looking so good. Okay, whatever. So yeah, this is how I look. So yeah, that's it. I mean, मैंने कुछ मान किया ही नहीं अपने पूरे मेकअप के लिए. I just have done like थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन जैसा यहाँ वहाँ randomly मैंने डाला है, and then I did my cheeks, then I did my eye makeup, that is eye shadow and eyeliner, and lipstick जो मैंने लगाया, of course मैं अपने lips को पहले एक border line दिया, and then I just spread it out in my whole lips. So okay, so that was my whole tutorial. That's how I do my makeup, because I think everybody has their own way of making themselves look good with makeup. So this is how I make myself look good doing makeup. So I hope you love this whole tutorial that I showed you about how I do my makeup, and maybe I think most of we all are doing the same thing. Because I don't think anybody is just going and following with this contour and this and that, but this is very easy, like you don't need a lot of products. It's very limited products. You just have to make some changes when you're doing your makeup as per तुम्हारे कपड़ों के हिसाब से. वैसे मैं किधर बाहर नहीं जा रही, मुझे बस ये वीडियो बनाना था, so I'm just like yo. So yeah, that's it. This is how I do my makeup, and if you have any more ideas or maybe some other things that I should try on about makeup or anything like that, you can give all your suggestions in my comment section below. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, I think you should by now. And also if you like this whole video, and if you like the way I turned out to be looking with this makeup, you can like this whole video. I won't mind. And yeah, that's it. This is how I do my makeup. I give you my tips for how I think everybody should look into your makeup. First, it's very important that you put your foundation, the base or the foundation. I don't put foundation because I don't like the foundation thing at all, जो आपको पूरा face में लगाना पड़ता है. I don't like it. So मैं नहीं लगाती. I put only color corrector because I have a lot of dark circles. क्या मैं नहीं सोती हूँ? I don't know. Maybe I don't sleep much. So इसलिए मैं लगाती हूँ color corrector. Otherwise I just don't do much. So make your base little even throughout your face. Second thing, get yourself a good lipstick, because I think this color suits my face really good. So if you have any color that suits you good, make you sure that you actually check on them. Like बस ऐसे लगता है कि हाँ, अगर वो पहन रही है, अगर ये पहन रही है, it will look good. Maybe it won't look good on everybody. So you have to look into that. And also skincare is important, because if you are having really a lot of things on your face like acne, everything, pimples and everything, तो अगर आप कुछ कर भी रहे हो तो आपको बहुत फाउंडेशन लगाना पड़ेगा, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So it's better you also take care of your skin and use the products for your makeup that actually suits you. So that's it for my whole video. And if you like this whole video, I've been talking about this so much. Okay. So if you like this video, do share and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'm good यार, बस हो गया.